Big up on yourself, people. Again, me up on the road, so you don't know that mean. Video have to drop. A bit obligated, you know, once we're up on the road, you know, kind of obligated to drop a video. Anyways, Jamaica, it's match day. Jamaica versus Grenada. Grenada versus Jamaica. Very, very interesting game. 4 p.m. today, Jamaica time. The game will be on the JFF live page on YouTube. So that means it's easily accessible. I'm hopeful. By rough yeah, I don't know if it's a case in which I'm gonna charge with for watching one game. I don't know, that would be tough. But it's on the JFF YouTube live page, people. That's where you're gonna see the game. Big up on yourself, people. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. We have life, we have strength, we have health. So we have to give thanks for that. Many people would love the opportunity to have that. Make no sense they get up miserable day. The truth is about life, you know, people. Everything won't be alright. Everything will not be alright. You have to just appreciate what is alright and work on what isn't alright. That's how it is. So, big up on yourself, people. So, Jamaica, we're going to speak up. Oh, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know, thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. See if we're swing. So, Jamaica, interim head coach, Rudolph Speid, has his job cut out for him today. Why is that so? This is not the most difficult game I'm going to play. No, it's not. But, as I mentioned earlier in a preview video, this is one of the games that are going to be basically fire and brimstone, but also water and ice. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? Let's first get to the water and ice. Let's say Rudolph Speid turn up, beat Grenada 3-0, 4-0, and the team look good. The water and ice parties, everybody gonna say, yeah man, a Grenada don't really nobody. That's what we do. It's simple as that. This should have been done from a long time. That's impressive. Anybody can do that. Even me. All the average man are gonna say, even me can use a team that go do that. Even the average man are gonna say that. So that is the water and ice. The fire and brimstone part now is this. Hey, if him turn up and the team no look as fluent and knock the ball out of the park as what they want it to be, a controlled possession as what they believe it should be, my word, you're going to hear say, this is the worst coach ever exists. Him should have never seen a national team ever. In team not ready. I'll be a long ball. And he's going to be heavily scrutinized for that. And again, if you get a good result, it means nothing actually. If you get a good result, it means nothing. But if the result not go as though them think if it go, or the team not play as though them think if it play, ha! Jaja, you can't beat Grenada. If you can't beat Grenada, how you expect to rate it? Yeah. That is the perception. And that is the pressure he's going to come under. Which, rightly so, can't blame his supporters them. Because, let me tell you, a great philosopher who developed the cognitive social learning theory, Albert Bandura. Laws and skirts. Hey, when I go to college, I do psychology in a college, you know. Psychology in a college. Laws and skirts are. Why I never know I could remember that. Anyways, cognitive learning skills. We learn, human beings learn socially. So we learn from our environment. So if we grow up and see, we mother and father eat dog, we likely to eat dog as well. If we grow up and see mother and father eat cat and snake and then something, this is likely to happen. That's the reason why we have cultural differences. Because we learn based off of the culture we're in and the social environment we're in. And that's the reason why certain aspect of life is very difficult to change, like in Jamaica. We try curve the crime, but really and truly we have a curve of culture first, then the crime will follow. Anyways, in a football space, we have developed so much bad habits where we enjoy the sport, but we allow like certain aspects, and we allow certain aspects of our mindset, or also how other people dictate how we think about the game. And it's very, very dangerous, and it's hard to come up with a whole idea, say this is what I want to do, or this is how I think the team should play. And what you'll find out is that, yeah man, so when you consume information around you, it's very important that you consume information where, well, most persons consume information where them think subside to what them believe. And say, so some see the game as well, and some feel. So most of the time, you consume information where justify how you feel about the game, or how you think the game go. So that's how the football space is set up. But it can be a bit problematic sometimes, because if you start consistently hear information where I tell you, say, you have to believe this is how you should believe, this is how you have to believe, and you not allow no level of subjectivity to say this can happen as well, this can be different. It kind of dampen a little dark spot where you're only supposed to think one way, and if you don't think the way there, your thinking or your belief system is wrong. So that is the direction of the football space I go right now, and it's dangerous. I have to say it's quite dangerous, because they're going a part of we only have one way to believe and one way thing is supposed to go, and once you go the way there, anybody else will say otherwise from that means the person is against everybody else. So it's quite a dangerous aspect. But as I'm saying, people, is that it's a tough task for the interim head coach today in regards to how it going to look, because no matter where him do, no matter how the result go, there's going to be something for downplay it. There's going to be arguments. There's going to be arguments to downplay it. Just like when the squad come out, everybody have problem. This a ball here, that the ball here. And if you ask some of my persons who have problem with some of the ball him, ask them who would you want to see, and can't give you a name. So it's really, really a difficult position to be in, I have to say, and with any coach. I just see it every time. I myself would do it. I'll make a suggestion, or even ask the question and say, boy, I think this player is in good form, he can get a look in. But me not gonna say him fit there over this player. I will not say that. I will not do that. Because anybody who will get called earn the right to get called. You might believe it or not. That's how football is. And if just the same as how you support a player and the player get called, you're going to hear somebody else say, he don't deserve to get called. But when you watch a player play well every time, you say, so why do they deserve to get called and him rates just as everybody else? So that is the structure of how football is analyzed or looked at in many aspects. But I know, no matter where him do today, no matter how the result go, there's going to be some level of downplaying. Ask yourself the question now, what is it exactly that you are looking for? What is it that you are looking for? Go in the comment section and tell me in the comment section, from today's game, what is it that you are looking for from this game in particular? For me, let me tell you what I am looking for. I'm looking for to see how the coach apply himself, one, in-game management, two, how the team play, how much the application of the team, what the system is trying to implement, what the unique different aspect of the game, what different players are going to do, different things different players are going to do within the game, within different aspects of the game. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, the result can vary. It doesn't really matter. The result doesn't really matter to me. But I want to see the team try to something in particular where we can clearly say, alright, this is what we are try, and we can clearly identify that this we are do. I don't want to be a case of me watch the game and me say, hey, what we are do? What we are trying? No, I don't want that. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, we're out. God bless. Boom. Outside.